Hey everyone, it's Ashlyn Moore here with Century 21. I'm over here at 118 Catalonia for an open house I'm doing. Come check it out. I've got lovely, delicious snacks. It is a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom. So this is the property at 118 Catalonia I'm doing an open house for. To the left, you have 1 bedroom. Beautiful plantation shutters, overhead ceiling fans, closet. Then you've got a bathroom here. Hello. With a shower. You've got your coat closet here. And then the entry, look at this beautiful flooring. Beautiful flooring. Formal living area here. Large family room here. Another dining area room over here with another fireplace. Beautiful kitchen with custom backsplash. Again, don't forget the snacks. It is a premium lot. Out here we have a beautiful patio area with an awning. There is no one behind you over here because there's a nature trail. There's a 2-car garage back over here and a pantry, double oven. The garage and then the pantry. All right, let's head upstairs. So upstairs, we have a beautiful bedroom over here. Again, plantation shutters, ceiling fans throughout, Jack and Jill bathroom. Large, oversized water closet with full bath. Another bedroom with a ceiling fan. Laundry room. Upstairs living area. Office area. Master bedroom. Again, overhead ceiling fans. Separate bath and shower. Large walk-in closet. And again, water closet. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. Once again, Ashlyn Moore with Century 21.